Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Marie again. I wanted to shoot this really quick video of all the stuff, like not all the stuff, but a lot of the planner stuff that I've bought recently. Starting with the foil quill from We Are Memory Keepers. I know one of you had requested that I do a video on how to use this, and it was something I wanted to do anyway, so I picked it up and I will be working on that video soon. Obviously, I have several videos that I needed to post first, so I'm getting some of those out, and then I will follow up and let you know my first impressions. But if you're not familiar with it, this basically is these are 3 different pens. I think it's like fine, medium, and broad that you can hook into your cutting machine, so like your Cricut in my case, and you can actually do foil instead of running it through the heat press. So I'm very excited to try this, and I will let you guys know. But basically it comes with this. This is some of the positioning tape so that you can put this on your mat, and then it comes with the 3 pens and the different either one of these depending on the machine that you have. So I'll be looking into that, and then it comes with a little foil, so I got the whole set. And in case you're wondering and you want to, I think it's $99 regularly, but I bought it from Joann's, and you can use your coupon, so do that, get in there. Then, of course, Happy Mail. So from PenGems, you know I'm a PenGems collector. Let me see if I can just pull out some of my PenGems here. There are some missing, but I started collecting maybe last year PlannerCon or the year before, I can't remember. But I am definitely a PenGem fan. So this is the Peach Palm Designs collaboration, and this pen is heavenly. I haven't even taken it out, but it is so pretty. And you guys know I do prefer the gold or rose gold bodies, and this one is gold, so I had to have it. And it is so gorgeous. I mean, the camera does not do it justice, and neither does my Band-Aid, but it's gorgeous. So I picked up 2. And normally with the collaboration pens, because I know they're gonna sell out when they sell out, I pick up 2 just because just in case anything happens to it, I guess. So I want more than one. They always come with the refills, so that's always nice. And then if you watched my Go Wild swag haul, then you know that we got some of the Rong Rong, the Happy Planner collaboration swag, and I picked up some more because I wanted to, these are the stamps, and I wanted to have the stamps too. So I believe I only picked up 1 set of stamps, but there is many. So if you can find your Joann's and they're stocked, definitely go in there and check them out. But these are the stamps for Paris because, again, I am working on manifesting more travel, and Paris is definitely on the list. So I got these. Then I'll do this last, but this is I'm a Simply Gilded box subscriber, so this is the recent box. And then I got the Happy Planner accessory book, the Rong Rong collaboration, and you guys, these stickers are amazing. And you know that I use my stuff, so I am going to use all of that. Sorry for the plane that's passing by. I have my window open because it's a little hot here. And then these are like little notepad. Let me just toss that part. Little notepads here. Sticky note, sticky note. So cute. And Joann's was also having a sale on these. So get in there, get it done. Oh, everything's gonna fall. Nope, there we go. Then, I don't know which one this is. Is this the... Yeah, this is the Easter. So on Easter, Simply Gilded had like an Easter egg hunt where they would place like washi for sale at certain times throughout the day, and you kind of like had to be on there. And you guys, I stocked it that whole morning. There were many times where the stuff was in my cart and it would not go through. Like somebody would snatch it up. And then finally, like I was at the point where I was going to give up, because it's fun for me. So I was just, I had nothing to do that day. And so finally I was going to give up, and I popped on the website really quick and it was available and I was able to snag one. So it came with this journaling card, which is cute, and then it came with several different washi. As you can see, I haven't even taken them out. I did just get these, so from Easter till now, that's how long it took because I'm sure they were backed up with all of the orders. And I may have had it like maybe a week or so. So we got some cute little bows, and then we got several different washi. So this is Heavenly. I will definitely take a picture of it and post that on my Instagram, maybe for Washi Wednesday. But these are all the, washi everywhere. Oh, I was wondering, where did the other one go? And it went right here. So these are all the washi we got, and I actually ordered the Stardust. So I have more of those. But this is from the Easter egg hunt and Juniper Bunny. And if I can't get enough of Simply Gilded, I also bought more. Let's take this out here. So another journaling card, stargazing, and then I bought, hold on, the Stardust washi that was released. A little cute little bow. And so see, I told you guys I got more of this washi, purchased that. And then I have this, which I think was from like the tea, the Royal Tea collection. And now we're gonna go through the Desert Dance box. You guys, sometimes I save this stuff to go through with you when I should just really be using it, but I wanna go through it with you and then I feel like I can use it. There we go. Love. Okay, so then there is this box here. I mean, the pin here that came in the box. It's really pretty, and I think the camera isn't doing it as much justice as it should because it's got like this blue glitter and it's rose gold. And you guys know I love rose gold. And then let's go through this first and then we'll go through what's in the box. Then we've got sticky notes. These are little cute little cactus sticky notes. And this is, oh, these are like little pockets that you can put in. They're adhesive pockets. You can put in your notebook or your planner, and a journaling card. And then of course the stickers. And they're always so well done. So we've got lots of stickers here. This tells you what's in the box. And then washi. Okay, so here's the bag. And then, oh my goodness, this is all like really pretty. I'm gonna see if I can like hold it up all at once. But these are all so pretty. These are gorgeous. I definitely know I'm gonna use all of these because they're like within my color scheme. I may give these, you know, destash these to some of my planner friends, but these are so cute. And this is gold. I don't know if you can see that. The camera might not be doing it justice, but this is gold foil. And it's amazing. I think they're upside down, but you guys get the idea. So this is my third or fourth box. I can't remember when I started subscribing, but I'm always happy with the boxes. And I think they're $25 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll link down below if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe. I am always loving the quality. I think Irene does a really good job. And yeah, so those are just some things that I picked up, you guys, that I'm going to use in my planning. And what I will say is that I have made it a point that any craft supplies that I buy, I need to use. So I'm not going to like hoard craft supplies. I use my Simply Gilded washi and other washi and all of that because it's there for you to use. Not, I mean, yes, a lot of people just collect them and look at them, but I really feel like with the space that I have to use the things that I'm buying, and it just makes sense, right? You use it and then you make room for like new stuff. And if there's something that you don't like or something like that, you can give away to other planner babes and they'll enjoy it. So yeah, that was just a really quick planner haul. Oh, I actually also got mild liners. Everybody's been talking about them and I wanted to try them, so I got this set from Target, and you guys, I love them. I'm like, why did it take me so long to try them out? I love them. So I'm going to have to, I wonder, can they fit in here? Because I would like to take them out of here and just have them in something that I can store them in and take them on the go. So hopefully you guys love this video. It's really quick. I just wanted to show you what I'm buying, and partly because I love sharing it, and then partly because I want you guys to keep me accountable. Like, you need to use this stuff. You can't just buy this stuff and not use it in your planning. And yeah, I'll do a couple like plan with me's, not a couple, but I'll start doing plan with me's more often, and you can see how I use it, and that might inspire you as well, because creativity inspires creativity. So thumbs up the video. Definitely leave me comments below of other videos that you want to see, whether it's planner or beauty related. I'm going to do some more beauty videos too, because I'm going through an acne journey. I'm always going through an acne journey, but I'm really like getting to the point where I want to get my acne scarring taken care of. And so there's some beauty things that I'm doing there, and then I'm also doing a few other things just to make me feel better. So if you guys want to see that, then leave a comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.